Hey everyone. Before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing and meditate. So wherever you are, sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Gently close your eyes, and your hands can be resting on your thighs, either palms facing down or palms facing up. And you can even have your forefinger touching your thumb, sort of in the shape of an OK gesture. And take a deep inhale through your nose. And slowly exhale also through your nose. On your next slow inhale through your nose, feel the breath filling your lungs as your chest and sternum rise and your abdomen fills. And slowly exhale also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, can you hear the breath entering by making an audible sound in the back of your throat, sort of like a Darth Vader sound? It's raspy. And as you exhale through your nose, can you create that same audible breath in the back of your throat? On the last deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tight. You might have tension in your neck or jaw, shoulders or hips. And at the top, hold the breath for a few seconds, and then see how slowly you can exhale through your nose, noticing that tension release and feeling a greater sense of calm and relaxation as you gently open your eyes. This multiple choice math problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And the question says, which of the following is an equation of the line L in the xy plane above? So give this problem a try. If you're not sure what to do, you can even just take a guess, and we'll have a look at it together in about a minute. This is a pretty straightforward problem. You were probably able to solve it pretty simply, but I wanted to use it as an opportunity for emphasizing a really important strategy for the SAT math test in general. And that entails looking at the y-intercept. So whenever you have a linear equation, and I think you guys know that those will generally appear in the format of y equals mx plus b, or can be manipulated to be in that format. You have the y-intercept, which is b, and you have the slope, which is m. And whether you're dealing with an equation that's written algebraically with variables, or whether you have a graph, or especially if you have a word problem, and there are two variables that are varying directly, that's the x and the y, whatever they might be in the problem, focus on the y-intercept. or what the value of y will be when x is 0. In word problems, that'll be whatever the starting value is when the variable that's x, or the variable that's the rate, or relates to the rate, is 0. That's going to be super helpful. So in this problem, we have a graph. So if you use that principle and focus especially on the y-intercept, you'll see that the y-intercept is +1. And lo and behold, you'll see that there's only one answer choice that has the y-intercept of +1. So you immediately know that the answer is D. Again, I know that this was a very straightforward question that you could probably just do on your own without any special strategy, but the focus on the y-intercept, or the value of y when x is 0, even when applied to word problems, is super important. So I wanted to pause and make sure to emphasize that with you so that you can use that on the problems you see in the future. I hope you enjoyed this strategy. If you have any questions, or if you have any suggestions or requests, please leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.